Hey everybody, how are you? It's Chris Curzon, Not a Typical Flipper, with you guys again to show you what it takes behind the scenes to get a house ready for an open house. So obviously the inside of the house is perfectly clean and everything's great, but I got to deal with nature right now, and the nature is not working with me because now I've got leaves coming down. You know, it's getting into September. I'm not expecting these leaves, but they're here, and guess what? I don't want them to be here when buyers come or potential buyers come, because obviously anything that's perfect or not perfect is going to feel not perfect. And for me, I love having that feel of perfection. So that's what we're here for today. Saturday morning, we're going to be working and we're going to clean this up. We're going to clean out the few paint cans and few garbage elements that are still in the garage from the cleanup of the main interior. And here we go. Let's get this going. This is what it takes, guys. You've got to do these kinds of things. That's what we're here for. Make it right, make it good. Look what a difference we have over here now. Take a look where it's dirty, take a look where it's clean. Completely different perspective, completely different experience that the potential buyer is gonna have when they come here, right? Nobody wants to feel like they've got to clean when they come home. So they're not gonna feel that way when they come here either. Thanks, guys.